My name is Ben Ramirez, and I'm here at the Go Rhino booth. So today I'm going to talk about new and exciting products, and then down below is our new E-board. The boards are manufactured out of extruded aluminum. It comes in two different finishes, either the bedliner coat, which is what you're seeing, as well as a traditional textured black powder coat finish as well. This is still technically what's considered a plug and play. It uses a sensor system that attaches to the door, tucks up nice against the body, very similar to what an OEM style rock rail looks like. This is a true dual motor system. So instead of just a linkage and a single motor to drive the board up and down, each linkage is its own motor. So it'll come with the puddle lights. Those will plug in right into the harness. One of the unique things about this particular application is that this uses three-arm system. It's still two designated motors, but the center one's an additional linkage system for added support.